Hi, welcome to ChimpSync. In this video I will show you how to use ChimpSync with standard Salesforce campaigns and mailchimp. So to start, we will first create a campaign in Salesforce, add members to this campaign. I will show you two ways how to do that, and then sync everything to mailchimp, send out an email, and then import statistics back into Salesforce. I will explain things as we go, so let's start. First, we create a campaign. This is a standard Salesforce campaign. I'll just call it demo campaign. I will mark it as active because this checkbox here will help you find the campaigns when you are searching for them in lookup dialog boxes. So I will mark it as email, planned, start date, end date, and that's it for now. So I'll just create the campaign and add members to it. So there are two options. So if you're adding members, you can use the manage members button here and search for the members in your leads or in your contacts by filtering by the fields on contacts and leads separately. I will just show you. Let's say we're searching for all contacts, so I'll just press go, and I have only 3 contacts in this organization with 2 different emails. So if I want to add all of them, I just click go without any filters and add with status send. So okay, I first have to select them. I will just add them to the campaign. So this is the easy way if you have, let's say, not too much contacts. If you have more than a couple of hundred of contacts that you want to add to the campaign, this can get tedious, and it's better way to add people to campaigns or to using reports. So I'll just show you quickly how you can do that with reports. Okay, with reports it's a different story. You can create different types of reports, but all reports has to be connected to contacts or to leads. So if you have different report types, you need those report types to be with contacts or leads. So I will click this one, contacts and accounts, create, and for those familiar with Salesforce reports, you already know that once you have a report type selected, you can then filter or segment by any field on connected objects. So you can use various filters, and it's quite simple to use it once you get the hang of it. But let me just run this without any filters, so we can actually select all members. So I'll run this and show you how to add, let's say, more than 1,000 of people to a campaign with simple click of this button. So add to the campaign. We search for the campaign in the lookup dialog box. So because I marked my campaign as active, I can see it here. So, and it's recently viewed campaigns, and also the default search is by my active campaign, so I'll just select this, use the member status that I have, and add to campaign. So if you're updating existing campaign with new members from reports, just remember that they won't get duplicated. This tool will only add new members that were not previously selected or added to the campaign. So for me now it's 0 members added to the campaign, but that doesn't matter because all of them were already on the campaign. Okay, I will just return back to the campaign. Campaign. And let's have a look. I have 3 contacts here. And I want to send them an email from MailChimp. So how do I go about this? First, I have to select appropriate MailChimp list. So I'll go here and use test, save, and I will use this sync member activity checkbox. So every time this checkbox is checked on the campaign, each new campaign that will be created in MailChimp will also sync back member activity or member history. So you will see that once we sync back the reports from the campaign we will send. So I'll press save, and this campaign is ready to be synchronized with MailChimp. So I'll just click this button here, synchronize with MailChimp, and create a new campaign in MailChimp. Okay, so once the sync is completed, you will see these fields. When you refresh the campaign, you will see these fields filled with values, and you will also receive an email saying that your sync is completed. So I have successfully synced, and if I go to MailChimp and look at the campaigns, you will see that ChimpSync already created a demo campaign which is called exactly the same as the Salesforce campaign and added the date of the sync. So let's go and edit this campaign. As you can see, MailChimp will deliver this to a segment of the test list. So if we click in, we see that our test list has 105 recipients, but only 2 people will receive this email. Why 2 people? Because we created a segment with Salesforce campaigns, so only the people who were selected as members on Salesforce campaign will receive this email. Why 2 recipients if I had 3 in Salesforce? As you can remember, 2 of my contacts have the same email. So what it does, the sync and MailChimp itself deduplicates members, and even if you have more than 1 record for 1 email, only 1 email will be sent out. So okay, we continue with next. Let's leave the name of the campaign the same. This is a demo video from name from ChimpSync, from email info@chimpsync.com. We'll leave everything as it is. Just quickly go through and select this template. This is a test. Save and close. Next. Everything seems to be okay, and I'll just send okay. High five. Okay, if I go back to my email client, I have to wait a bit for it to be delivered. Okay, so both emails that I have in the info@ChimpSync and support@ChimpSync are redirected to the same inbox, so I got both of the emails here. I will open one of them, the one sent to info, and I will click a link. So this gets reported to MailChimp, and if I look at the report, you will see that I have one open and one click, and the open rate is 50% and the click rate is 50%. Successful deliveries were 100%. So what I want is I want these statistics back in Salesforce, and this can be done again with just click of a button, and I will choose sync campaign reports. So I'll just press start and refresh a couple of times. So okay, it's already in, not quite. Let me okay, so here it is. Let's take a look. In campaign history, you have records for each campaign that was created from this, let's say, parent Salesforce campaign. I can create multiple campaigns from the same list of members. So if I decide to send an email next week and add just new members to this campaign, I can do this by going to the report, selecting the people, filtering the people that I want to send to, add them to this campaign, and create a new campaign, which will result in new campaign history record. And this can be done like this. So let's say that 1 week passed. I will go and create a new campaign in MailChimp. I use the same members as before, and it created a new record. Not yet. Okay, just a second. It created a new record which is active, has no click rate, open rate, because we didn't send this campaign from MailChimp yet. So every campaign we create, every MailChimp campaign we create from this campaign will get recorded here, and the summary statistics will be reported back in Salesforce once the campaign is sent. Okay, so about the sync member activity checkbox. If I have this checkbox checked, every campaign history record will have this same checkbox checked, which means that for these campaigns I will get back the records of subscriber activity like this. So I have ChimpSync campaign member statistics, which record which links were clicked and how many times somebody opened an email, and if somebody unsubscribed. There's a couple of more fields you can take a look if you click on the record itself, but for now let's just say that you can get all member activity back in Salesforce as records, and you can report on that too, just like on any other stuff in Salesforce. Okay, one more thing. I created a new campaign in MailChimp. So this was the first one I created, and this is the second one I created. So I have 2 people on this campaign, and I would like to remove some of them. Let's say, just for the kicks, I will remove 2 members. Remove. Just to show you that you have another option in synchronizing MailChimp and Salesforce, and that is you can update members on active campaign that was not sent from MailChimp yet. So I would just synchronize and use the second option, update members on MailChimp campaign. This only works for campaigns that were not sent out yet. So I click start. Okay, and if I look at this campaign now, it will have just 1 recipient. Okay, and if I add new members, let's say I will just add all. Contacts, go, send, and synchronize with MailChimp again. You will see that I have a new member or a new recipient on this campaign. So now it's just 1, and now it's 2. So you can update members as long as your campaign is in draft or edit mode in MailChimp. Okay, that's about everything I wanted to show you. Maybe just one more thing that we didn't cover in the installation. So on each contact and lead we have subscriber activity. Which is a Visualforce page and gives you an option to see campaign history for the contact based on his email. So if you want to check how he or she responded to your campaigns, you can go visit the contact detail page and check out these statistics. They don't take up any space in Salesforce, they just show you the information. You can't report on this, but it will show you the complete history of a subscriber from MailChimp. So let's see the details. As you can see, I click the link, you can hide the details, see details from other campaigns, and if I'm interested, I can also see how the email was, what email was sent out at that campaign. So I think this is it for now. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at info@chimpsync.com or support@chimpsync.com. Thank you for your time, and I hope that you like our tool. Bye.